Hey everyone, welcome to the Bemis booth at KBIS 2023. My name is Spencer Weidner, I'm the Digital Marketing Manager, and today we're going to walk you through our bidet line. So we'll start with the electric series. We've got the Haven 1000 bidet seats and the Sanctuary integrated bidet toilet. We have the Haven 1000, 3000, and 5000. We'll start with the 1000. So this is going to have all your essential features like heated seat, warm water, and an air dryer, and it's all accessible from the attached side control panel. You'll still have all sorts of customization options, including water temperature, seat temperature, water pressure, and nozzle position. If we move up to the Haven 3000, that's where you go from that attached side panel control to a wireless remote control that gets mounted to the nearby wall. All the sorts of customization we just talked about present on this one as well. And then at the top of the line, we have the Haven 5000. So with this, you get a couple extra cool bells and whistles. Right off the bat, you'll notice that it has auto open and auto close for both the seat and the lid. It is a sittable lid. And then you also have built-in UV sterilization. So after every single bidet wash cycle, the nozzle actually retracts into the housing and gets bathed in UV light for 90 seconds automatically without you having to press a button. This one also has an enhanced air dryer, whereas on these you'll have a single stage. This actually has a 3-stage. So lastly, you'll also notice from a form factor, this one has a really low profile, sleek, modern design. You're talking about 4 inches in the back here. I can also take you over to the integrated bidet toilets here. So with these models, you're actually replacing the entire toilet. The bidet seats are a retrofit. They replace your existing toilet seat. This replaces the entire toilet. So with this, you're gonna get all the features we talked about, that heated seat, the unlimited warm water. This has a couple extra perks as well. So right off the bat, it's a tankless design and a direct connect flush, so highly efficient. And then this one has a kick button. So if you press it once, it's a pre-programmed sequence. The first will open the lid, the second will open the seat, and the third will activate a flush and close everything up.